how did they make such an attractive music video with AI? Well then, I should get to work and make a professional music video myself.
And the sun never shines. Walking on the ceiling, made of liquid gold. Stories in my breath that never have been told. My shadows are dancing, they are running free. In this garden of glass, I am finding me. Everything is melting, colors start to bleed. I am the harvest, and I am the seed. Floating in the ether, caught between the lines, where the moon is singing, and the sun never shines.
Hello everyone, I'm Mila, and today I have a new tutorial video for you. Okay, we're on the Beatviz.ai home screen. Check out the Tools section. It's packed with options to help you build your music and visuals. Go ahead and hit Start for free up here on the right. It's super easy to sign up with your Google account. In this video, we're going to walk through the two main options: the AI Music Video Agent and Custom Video, to see which one works best for your tracks. The first step to a music video is the music itself. Now we'll go to Music Generator and tap Create. This site actually connects you straight to Suno to generate your music, and that's a huge plus. So let's jump right in and make a song. There are two options for creating your music. First is the simple mode with 3 models. You can either type in a description of your track or just let the AI take over and surprise you. Beyond the basic create option, you've also got cover, extend, and the ability to add instrumentals or vocals. There's a lot you can do here. Now let's check out custom mode. We still have those 3 models here, and if you're looking for just a background track, you can toggle on the instrumental option to get music without any vocals. You just plug in your style, lyrics, and title depending on what you've got in mind. Plus, you can mess around with the advanced options to really fine-tune the track. Also, watch out for the credit usage. It ranges from 15 to 25 depending on the model you're using. All right, to make your music sound professional and not like some random AI track, you need to master the GMIV formula. Don't just type sad song, that's too vague. Here's what you need to include in the style box. Genre, be specific, like indie folk. Mood, use descriptive words like nostalgic or empowering. Instruments, name your instruments like acoustic guitar or subtle piano. Vocals, define the voice, for example, intimate male vocal close to the mic. But the real pro tip is using meta tags in the lyrics box. By using square brackets, you can actually talk to the AI. Want a musical start? Use instrumental intro. Need a hook? Label it as chorus. You can even add backing vocals or ad-libs just by putting the text in parentheses. To make this super easy for you, I've put together a cheat sheet with all these formulas and tags in the description below. All right, let's make a track and see how it turns out. As you can see, I've filled out the style box with all the details we talked about, and I've used meta tags in the lyrics to give it some structure. I've also given it a title, and from the advanced options, I'm going to set the vocals to male. Let's check out these 2 styles. Honestly, I think these turned out great. What do you guys think? All right, let's turn this track into a video. We're starting with agent mode. It's super simple. Describe your video, upload the song, and choose a mode. Pick storytelling for a plot or singing to show the artist on stage. The rest of the options are pretty self-explanatory. Now let's make a video. But first, let's talk about the secret sauce, prompt engineering for your music video. To get high-end results, you've got to be specific. Here are a few pro tips. First, when generating music, don't just say pop. Be detailed, something like upbeat indie pop with clean production, as I explained in full detail back in the music prompt section. Second, for the visuals, focus on the lighting and vibe. Keywords like golden hour or cinematic lighting make a world of difference. You can even ask ChatGPT to break down your lyrics into scene ideas. And finally, to make the video feel alive, always direct the camera. Tell it to slowly circle the character or zoom in. Also, make sure to match the singing style to your tempo. If it's a fast song, tell the AI to sing energetically, so the lip sync looks spot on. To make things super easy for you, I've put together a prompt template with all these formulas. You can find the link in the description below. Just copy, paste, and tweak it to your liking. All right, let's get back to the video. I've written my prompt with all those details, uploaded the track. You can actually just paste the Suno link directly and tweak the settings. For the style, you can pick any preset or even mix them up. I just went with the recommended combo. You have the option to add a custom character too, but I'll leave that as it is for this one. The credit cost will show up right here, depending on your configuration. Next, you'll get 3 creative direction suggestions. Just choose your favorite. I'm actually impressed with the ideas it's designed here. Based on your choice, it'll whip up a storyboard. You can still change things around here to get it closer to your own idea. All right, let's hit it and see what kind of videos it created. If a generation fails, just try again. Don't worry about the credits. They'll be sent back to your account if it doesn't work out. You can swap segments here in the library, but since they're tied to the audio, I'd suggest finalizing your scene order in the storyboard step instead to keep everything smooth. The regenerate option lets you add reference photos or adjust your prompt and frames. But remember, each new attempt costs 30 credits, so use it wisely. For better consistency, right-click and save the final frame of your clip. Then, use it as a reference for the starting frame of the next segment and regenerate. It's a game changer for scene flow. All right, let's see how it turned out. Now it's time to build the video. I've made some tweaks to certain segments based on the tips I gave you earlier to get the best result. Done! Our video is ready for download. Right here, you can see a full breakdown of all the prompts used to create each scene. All right, let's take a look at a part of the music video where I've made some custom tweaks myself.
Walking on a ceiling made of liquid gold. Stories in my breath that never have been told. My shadows are dancing, they are running free.
Awesome! Before we jump into custom mode, let's explore the platform a bit more and see what else we can do. From the top menu, we open this page. Here you can define the first and last frames and write a prompt to create your video sequence. Right next to that, you can upload your music and let the AI analyze it for you. Moving to the next tab, this is where you build your frames. You can use prompts and reference images to guide the AI toward your specific vision. Time for custom mode. Start by uploading your track and naming your project. Once that's done, just hit next. Everything's right here: frames, video, and analysis. To start building your visuals, you have access to Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, and Seedream models. You can also set your aspect ratio and add a reference image right here to guide the AI even further. In the video section, you can create, edit, use AI for prompts, add references, and even do lip syncing. It's all there to give you full control. You've got access to powerhouse models here, specifically VO 3.1 and Kling 2.6, which are among the best for high-quality video creation right now. Let's create our first frame. I'm using a character I made earlier and a specific scene prompt. We'll see how the AI combines the references and the text to bring it to life. Looks amazing. It turned out just as expected. I'll use this frame for the beginning of the video. Drag it here, configure the settings, enter the prompt, and let's see the result. Time to try lip syncing. I'll enable the feature, use my prepared frame and prompt, and then pick the right audio track from the library to sync everything up. Under the timeline, use the Select Audio tool. Select a part of the song, maximum 5 seconds, and drag it into its specific section here. Finally, once all your segments are ready, you can line them up on the timeline and generate the full video. But for a truly professional music video, I'd suggest downloading each part and using a pro editor to polish everything. That way, you can make sure every transition is perfect for a much more stunning result. Finally finished! Like I showed you at the start of this video, the result is pretty amazing. Well, my dear friends, thank you for joining me. I hope you found today's tutorials useful.